Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Tissue Tuesday, and today we're looking at some bone tissue, or what we refer to as osseous tissue. And so, this is a section through compact bone, what we call lamellar bone, because the bone is laid down in these long linear strands, which we call lamellae. And if you look, there are little sections that almost look like they're circular sections through, like it would be like a section through a tree trunk, right? So, like if you cut a tree off and you were looking down into the stump, right? That's kind of what these things look like here, right? And those structures make up what we call osteons, right? So, this is an osteon, or some people refer to these as a Haversian system. So, each one of these, this is an osteon, this is an osteon up here, right? Those are the osteons, and each osteon in the center of it has a canal that runs through it, right? It's called the central canal, or some people will call this a Haversian canal. Now, these osteons, like this is one up here, this is one up here, each one's got a canal in the center. There's a central canal, there's a central canal. And then these central canals will be connected to one another by a canal that runs between them. This is known as a perforating canal, or what some people refer to as a Volkmann's canal. So you have a central canal within the osteon, and then you have the perforating canal, or the Volkmann's canal, that runs between them. Now, think if we take circles together and we try to push them together, right, we're going to end up with spaces in between those circles, right? So what you have is this lamellar bone, right, in between each osteon. So here's an osteon, here's an osteon, there's an osteon up there, right? And then there's one here. In between those osteons, you have lamellar bone. This is referred to as interstitial lamellae. So this is interstitial lamellae. If we were to look at compact bone around the outside, we would also have some lamellar bone, right? Which would be circumferential lamella, which would go around the bone itself, right? But the lamellae in between the osteons, that's interstitial lamellae. Now, each one of these little dark dots that you're going to see here, right, that's an osteocyte. That's a cell that's responsible for maintaining that extracellular matrix of bone. So this is an osteocyte, and those set in open spaces inside of the bone matrix. So these set within something we call a lacunae. So that is an osteocyte within a lacunae. So we've got osteocyte, osteon, central canal, perforating canal, interstitial lamellae. And that's your osseous tissue.